it's Lynn from LynnieCDesigns, and today I'm coming on to show you, it's a very quick card today. It's a version of this using one of the lovely new in colours, and it actually uses stamps from the So Eclectic stamp set, which I haven't really played with very much up until now, and I've had fun creating with that today. The sentiment's going to be from the Love What You Do stamp set. And it's just going to be a very simple card. So I've got lovely lipstick, which is the new colour, and that's a top folding standard A6 in the UK. I've got some basic black strip that is 7.5 centimetres, and this is a strip of Whisper White which is 7 centimetres, so that's going to layer on there and just have a nice black border. Lovely lipstick. Oh, I haven't opened that very much, so that's a bit stiff. New ink pad, Memento black. I will be using a glue dot, some multi-purpose glue, and some of the matching Gross Grain, I think that's what it's called. It is an 1/8 of an inch wide, and it's rather lovely. It's got a bit of texture on it, so I'm going to use that. So let's bring this in, and I've just realised I haven't got some Whisper. I'll go and get some Whisper White for the inside, and if by magic, a layer for the inside of the card. So let's get some and do some stamping. I'm going to start with this base, and I'm going to do some stamping down the edge. Just rotating it a little bit so it's slightly different. There we go. That's that done. And then we've got these two strips. And with the basic black, I'm going to come down. This stamp actually reminds me of a little bit of the flowers that are in the Love What You Do stamp set. I'm going to just do sentiment in black. And with this full strength, oh, missed that, so we'll, there we go. Fabulous. That is going to, and then one of the little floral stamps, I'm just going to come in and do some round, and we can cover up that blooper and that one, and we may come down and carry that on there, and then I'm going to do a couple of these. I'm coming from the top and I'm coming from the bottom, and as this is the inside, I'm going to stamp off on that one. Oh, it's such a rich colour. That's the first time I've stamped with that. Full strength. I'll do one without. So there we are. Let's get our liquid glue. I'm going to cover that up. Because you know what I'm like. So yeah, I've been playing with some of the new colours, in colours, trying to design cards for my classes next month, because it's my birthday next weekend and I don't want to leave it to the last minute. I'm going to try and get them organised in advance. Not a New Year's resolution, but I do try. Now on the first sample I showed you, which was Coastal Cabana, and I know that's a returning colour, but it's new to me and I can see why everybody is amazed by it. So a little bit of glue, and then we can stick that roughly down the middle. And this is such an easy design really, but I just wanted to come on, as I say, very quickly, and I've already done a little glue dot, done a ribbon, so I'm going to stick that on there, make that sure it's sort of curled up a little bit, and then I'm going to stick that on that bow there this time. So there we go. We could, I've just refilled my Wink of Stella pens, and I'm going to very quickly come in and give those a bit of glimmer. It really does not show up on camera, and you can see the ink coming off on that, but it really does give a little bit of shimmer and a little bit of sparkle to a very quick card. So there we go. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will be back again soon with more cards. All the details will be on my blog, and there's a link below, and I'll also have information about all of the promotions that Stampin' Up have got on. So if you're interested, you can click over to my shop or find out more information. So ta-da for now.